Hi. So after many nights of complete destruction, I've been awake and going through like Stack Overflow and YouTube videos, tutorials left and right, 1.5 week to automate something that took me basically around 10 minutes a day. But now I feel so good because you will see. You will see. Look, so I have emails which I harvest from Facebook. I would triple click, Control C, and then go to this tab, and here I would Control Shift V, enter. I would scroll down, co- triple click, Control C, Shift Tab, Control Shift V, enter, scroll down, triple click, Control C, Shift Tab, Control Shift V. So this took a long time, right? So let me delete these. One, two, three. Okay. Um, so what happened was some of my friends, basically Ivan and William, they encouraged me and also gave me a practical way with automate the easy things with Python or something. Automate, yeah. Anyways, daily tasks. So I'm very thankful, and I'll just start by saying that I made a sheet and I wanted the emails to be harvested with Python instead of me going every day and doing that, because that was the most soul destructing thing. So here I have a sheet, and I've made three modules for my code, and we will see here. Okay, so I'm just gonna click F5 here. This is my main master code. I'm just gonna call the different parts of my code. So I have a FP scrape file which goes to my FP via Firefox, and we'll see it here. Um, okay, the Firefox window just started. As you can see here, we have the window. It fills in the. So this is the file we're on right now. It goes to the Facebook. It starts scraping. It doesn't start scraping as actually. I had a big problem. Like 2 or 3 days, I was stuck on finding out how to work with CSS selectors, XPath, and all that, but I couldn't figure it out. So I just gave up, and I figured out another way, which was actually to Control A and copy everything instead of going into each CSS selector and getting the email, which is possible. I just don't know how to do it. I tried different ways. I tried different codes. YouTube, Stack Overflow. I couldn't get it to work. Otherwise, that would have been better actually. Anyways, I gave up on that, and I was like, huh, what if I Control A? Does it like copy everything? And it did. And then I remembered in the automate with Python, there was a section on how to separate emails from a document, and that was amazing. Then I was like, light bulb. Let's just copy everything, all the text, and separate the emails. That's cool. And then I did that, but then I had problem with pasting them in. Yeah, so I had to figure out how to work with Google Sheets to automate the whole process, right? Because Google Sheets does not accept a string with like multiple lines, basically. If you're a programmer, you know that. Anyways, as the code is running, I'll just explain to you. So yeah, I basically found out how to do that over the last week. I've been awake like until 7 a.m. So many nights, completely destroyed. And as you can see, it keeps scrolling, and there's like 200 requests, and you can imagine there's probably 100 emails in there. And when it's done, we should get this right here in this tab filled out. Okay, so just gonna go back here. So yeah, this was a crazy adventure for me. I mean, I have not done this before. I don't code. I had like one course in university for coding, but I'm so happy. I have to. I had to do this. I had to start because I love it. Like the logic is cool, even though I don't understand the basic concept that well. Um, it's still such an amazing feeling. I hope my code doesn't crash to destroy this whole talk. But yeah, I found myself really, really like struggling to stay on the computer when I had problems with harvesting the CSS. I would email my friends. I would ask them like what to do here, and they wouldn't know, or I would feel bad to even ask. Okay, we're at the end. Let's see. Does it? Don't crash, don't crash. Copy everything, please. Is it gonna crash? Is it gonna crash? No, don't crash. Come on, Control A. Come on, I don't see it. Oh no. Okay. Oh, it did it. It did it. Yes. Yes. Come on. Okay, we're gonna go to the sheet and see. It should be harvesting the emails now. It should be separating them, and hopefully the API starts pasting them in. Come on, where is it? Where is it? Oh yes, yes. Woo! So there you go. We got all the emails right here. Oh, 112 emails. That's beautiful. Lovely. Wow, that's beautiful. Ah, such an amazing thing to just see it work for you. You just click one click, F5, and it just runs through the modules. So yeah, we have the first, which scrapes, and then the second was the thing that extracts the results and turns them into a list of lists, which is needed to get the emails into one row. And then we have this file right here, which goes to the group. No, sorry, it takes the emails that were harvested and then inserts them into Google Sheets. It found basically, if I run this code again, it wouldn't. That's the thing with the API. It was so hard to like logicalize these things, but now if I run it again tomorrow, it would put the new emails at the end here, which was the hard parts of like figuring out Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Oh my god, I'm done. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I started this journey, and I hope it goes well. Thank you. And yeah, I mean, one thing I wanted to mention, even like I think I did, but I switched the topic. But like during this past week, I have been struggling to get motivated because my business has been up and down and all that. Although I would say the most amazing thing is that I found myself like really happy when I solved the problem. But because the problems were so hard and I had no clue what the hell I'm doing, I would find myself like leaving the computer very often, just wanting to do other things like checking Instagram or something. And I pushed through. That was the hardest part, to push through the when you have a problem and you don't know the solution, you just don't want to do it, or you don't know like where to go. But I just push through, push through, push through, push through, be awake until like 8 in the morning. But yeah, anyways, the program is working and I'm super happy. Thank you. And let's continue this amazing journey. Awesome. Bye bye.